Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Amazon FBA inventory using Amazon FBA API. Complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer Amazon FBA inventory using the Amazon FBA API, begin by ensuring you have an Amazon Seller Central account set up and your FBA API access configured. First, navigate to the Amazon Developer Services page to create a new application. Once your application is created, retrieve your access key ID, secret access key, and refresh token. Next, familiarize yourself with the FBA API documentation, as it provides essential details on endpoints and parameters needed for inventory management. Using your programming language of choice, install the required libraries or SDKs to interact with the FBA API. Begin by making a GET request to the Inventory API to retrieve your current inventory levels. Check the response for the specific ASINs and the quantities you want to transfer. Determine the fulfillment center to which you wish to transfer the inventory. Next, formulate a POST request to the transfer endpoint of the Amazon FBA API. In your request, include the shipment details, such as the fulfillment center ID and the items you plan to transfer. Make sure to set the correct headers, including your access token and other required authentication details. Submit your POST request and closely monitor the response for any errors or confirmations. If successful, you will receive a confirmation that your transfer request has been created. Keep track of the shipment ID provided in the response for future reference. After a few hours, check the transfer status by making a GET request to the shipment endpoint using the shipment ID. This will allow you to verify if the inventory has been successfully transferred to the designated fulfillment center. If any issues arise, refer back to the FBA API documentation to troubleshoot. Document your process and keep records of any inventory changes for easier management in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.